Hello mga mare! So for today's video, isang napakagandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Napaka-importanting kaganapan ang mangyayari ngayong umaga, which is the moving up ceremony of New Loon Elementary School Kindergarten.
for the opportunity to interact with our teachers and fellow learners. Yes,
Kaso lang time, Teoras. Teoras. Kira na.
That we are experiencing nowadays. Despite this, we all try to bear this opportunity. Our recognition, napakailan ang kanya. Kapag ang gabi ay sikat mother school. Thank you for very much for letting us learn. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for giving us your education. We are happy for this first big milestone in our young life, our moving up family. Moving for the
Superintendent Dr. Reynaldo B. Uriga, duly represented by our own school principal, Ma'am Ofelia Eroca. I have the honor to present to you, Ma'am, the candidates for completion. We have 20 boys and 17 girls with a total of 37 candidates for completion. They have satisfactorily completed the basic minimum requirements for the kindergarten curriculum for the school year 2023-2024. For your confirmation, ma'am.
By the authority vested in me by the Department of Education, being the representative of our school's division superintendent, Sir Reynaldo B. Uriga, and after having been certified by your teacher advisor, Ma'am Myra Miel Callao, that you have satisfactorily completed the basic minimum requirements for the kindergarten curriculum as prescribed by the Bureau of Elementary Education of the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines. I now hereby confirm you as completers beginning today, May 31, 2024. God bless you all and congratulations!
Teachers, parents, visitors, fellow completers, good morning. On behalf of the kindergarten completers, thank you for coming here today to celebrate our moving up day. It is my distinct pride and honor that I come before you today to pay tribute to our dear parents. Today may be the last day of school. The closing is one door and the opening is another one. Let's not forget the people behind our mama and papa. Thank you for the patience and raising us. You are our first teacher. She teaches us how to stand and walk and learn things. You always supported us to step to make, and in times we stumble and fall. You were always there to guide us. There would be no other words that we could say for your unconditional love to us. Thank you for everything.